Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your Twitter account not private. So the first thing you will need to do is go into Twitter. Once in the app, you're going to tap on your profile pic in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. And you're going to tap on Privacy and Safety. After doing that, you're going to tap on Audience and Tagging. That's the first option at the top. Then you will see the option Protect Your Tweets. You simply want to toggle this off, as you can see right here. And that's it. That's how to turn off privacy on Twitter. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to make your Twitter account not private.